Hey guys, I'm back with another video. These are amazing savory pancakes made of masa and with delicious grilled vegetables on top, garnishes, amazing flavors. Let me show you how to make it. So, this is kind of like a tamal in a pancake. I'm gonna get a bowl. And I was thinking about this when I was making tamales earlier. I was making tamales of zucchini, and I have a lot of leftover zucchini. So I was thinking, how can I make a recipe that I can use up the zucchini? And I thought to myself, why don't I make some pancakes? Savory masa pancakes. I'm gonna get 1 cup, because I don't want too much. 1 cup of masa. I'm thinking I'm gonna like them, so maybe 2 cups of masa. Let's do 2 cups. 2 cups of masa. So I'm going to add a few seasonings to make this really tasty. I'm going to add a little bit of cumin powder. And this is just a touch, okay guys? A garlic powder, a touch. Vegetable seasoning, a teaspoon. And some taco seasoning. And then we're just going to add some salt. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 2 teaspoons of cornmeal. This is a stabilizer. You could use flax meal if you don't have any cornmeal, especially the organic cornmeal. Alright, so we're going to make a wilt. And we're going to add 2 cups of water. 1. It's a 1-to-1 ratio, so we're adding as much as the flours. And you just want the masa to absorb all the water. And we'll see if it needs more liquid. It does. We'll do a half a cup. We want this to look like a cake batter. Nice and thick. So this guys are... So we're going to do another half cup. So that is 3 cups in there. And I think that's going to be about it. It's not going to need that much. Perfect. This is what I needed. In the pan, we're going to add our zucchini. And we want to hear that sizzle. Okay. And I want to add some pepper. And I want to stir it. And we're going to move this guy back here. So we're going to heat up that skillet. Now, I'm a big fan of using scoops. I suggest that you use scoops as well because it's more accurate. Just ready to go. Easy. This is what most chefs use. That's my chef tip. So we're going to add our... I'm kind of scared because I haven't done this. We're going to add our scoop. And we're going to just drop it down. Like that. Scoop. Drop it down like that. And I did add some non-stick, some oil spray. You don't have to. Alright. And there we go. We're just going to do 3 for security purposes. And we're gonna allow these to cook. These are kind of like arepas, but we're gonna call them pancakes. Our savory Mexican style masa pancakes. We gotta come up with new names because we don't know. We're coming up with new rules here. We're coming up with new ingredients here, recipes. It's a whole new tradition. So we have to come up with new names. So we'll call them savory Mexican style pancakes. Really long name. Alright, so our veggies are done. I want to add a little bit of water. No, to be honest, I'll take that back. I don't want to add any water. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add a lid and cover it, okay? And if you don't have a lid, you can use a towel. Which I'm going to use, actually. I'm going to use a towel. So I'm going to use a towel. Just going to put a towel on top of it. And I want it to steam. Definitely going to plate it up for you in this tray. I have this tray right here. I'm going to put 3. And then I'm going to let my dad try them. Because he's here today. So I'm going to add the zucchini. The next thing that we want to do is we want to add some garnishes. And here's how you do the pancakes. Just fold them over. And you want to cook them really well, but they're going to be very light and fluffy inside. They taste really good, to be honest. This, and I want a little bit of salsa, and this is salsa from the tamales. But I will not stop there. I'm going to add a different type of salsa, a pico de gallo salsa. And I won't stop there. I'm going to add some pickled onions on the side. Oh yeah, 'cause this is really yummy. Pickled onions, pico de gallo on the side. Of course, I want to add a lot. And then I want to add some really cool radishes around. These are going to be nice and spicy and yummy. Our culture is all about pickling stuff and having fresh ingredients with hot ingredients. It's really good. All right, as you can see, amazing. And that's the recipe for today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.